Hi YouTube, this is Gracie B09. I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys some of my glitter mixes that I've been doing. I did a few the last couple days. I did this pretty pink one. And it's this one right here. Excuse my nails, I just did them, but they're chipping off. I'm gonna have to redo them soon. And then I did this one. And that one is this one right here. And then I did this greenish blue, and that one is this one. Then I did this pretty orange one. Reminds me of Halloween, and that one is this one. And then I did this pretty lime green and orange one. And that's this one. And then I did a sand mix with gold and brown and white sand and glitter. And that one is this one. Then I did this pretty yellow and pink one. And that one is this one. That one has flocking powder in it. And there's this pink, purple, and blue one. And that's this one. And then I did a sand mix with reddish purple and glitter. That one is this one. Kind of looks maroonish. And then I did this gold and pink one. And that one is this one. And I also did a couple more. Did this pretty white one with multicolored beads. And that one is this one. It kind of looks like candy. And then I did this reddish purple, pink, and green one. And that one is this one. And I did a green and hot pink one. And that one is this one. And I did a yellow and purple. And that one's this one. That one's very pretty. I like that one a lot. And this one is a pink, baby pink and silver. And it has flocking powder in it. And that one is this one. Very pretty. And I did baby blue and gold. And this one has flocking powder also. And that one is this one. And I did a kind of multicolored purplish pink with multicolored green. And that one is this one. that's all I did. Thanks for watching.